If you've ever put together an outfit and thought, why does this look off? Not bad exactly, just not right. There's a reason for that. And it's usually not just one thing. I'm Brian Sakawa. I've spent the last 15 years in the menswear industry, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your outfits look off and how to fix it. So let me show you what I mean. This is an outfit that, on paper, should work. Good jacket, good shirt, good pants. Nothing obviously wrong, and still, something feels off. Now look at this. Same idea, slight adjustments, and suddenly, it works. That difference is what we're talking about. And here's the key. When an outfit feels off, it's usually not one big mistake. It's a few smaller things that aren't lining up. Once you start to see those patterns, this becomes a lot easier to fix. Let's start with one of the most common reasons. There's nothing anchoring the outfit. A lot of outfits fall into this category. Everything is fine on its own, nothing is really wrong, but nothing stands out either. There's no focal point, nothing that draws your eye or gives the outfit a sense of direction, so everything just kind of blends together. And when that happens, the outfit ends up feeling flat. It doesn't look bad, it just doesn't look like much of anything. What you want instead is one element that anchors the look. Something that gives it a bit of presence. That could be the jacket, it could be the shoes, it could be a specific piece that has a bit more texture or contrast. It doesn't need to be loud, it just needs to be intentional. Because once your eye has somewhere to land, the rest of the outfit starts to make more sense. Now the opposite problem is just as common. Instead of nothing standing out, everything is trying to. You've got a pattern jacket, a bold shirt, a statement tie, maybe something going on with the shoes too. Each piece on its own could work, but altogether, it's too much. There's no hierarchy. Nothing leading, nothing supporting. Everything is competing for attention at the same time, and when that happens, your eye doesn't know where to go. So instead of looking intentional, it just feels busy. This is one of the easiest ways for an outfit to feel off. Not because anything is wrong individually, but because nothing is working together. The fix here is simple. Pull something back. Let one element do the work and let everything else support it. Because if everything is trying to stand out, nothing actually does. Now, another reason an outfit can feel off is when the pieces don't agree on how formal they're supposed to be. You've got elements that belong in completely different settings. A tailored jacket with very casual pants, dress shoes with something that leans more relaxed. Or the opposite, something more casual paired with pieces that feel overly formal. Individually, all of it can work, but together, it doesn't quite line up. And that's what you're picking up on. The outfit doesn't feel cohesive. It feels like it's trying to do two different things at the same time. This is especially common with outfits that sit somewhere in the middle, not fully formal, not fully casual, which is exactly where most people are dressing. The fix is to make a decision. And you don't have to be extreme about it, but the pieces should feel like they belong in the same world. The jacket leans more structured and refined, everything else should support that direction. If it's more relaxed, the rest of the outfit should follow that lead. Because once everything is aligned in terms of formality, the outfit starts to make sense. Now, sometimes an outfit feels off before you even get into any of the details. And that usually comes down to proportions. How everything is balanced on your body. Because even if everything fits, the overall impression can still feel slightly off. With tailored clothing, this isn't about applying a formula, it's about how cleanly everything works together. A jacket that's a little too short can throw off the entire line. Trousers that are too slim or too full can shift the balance. A rise that doesn't quite line up with the jacket can make everything feel slightly disconnected. Now, none of these things necessarily stand out on their own, but together they affect how the outfit is read. And this is something your eye picks up on immediately. Before color, before details, you're seeing the overall shape. And what you're looking for is continuity. Clean lines, a balanced silhouette, nothing pulling too much attention in one direction. Because when the proportions are right, the outfit feels settled. You're not noticing individual pieces, you're seeing the whole thing come together. Now, another reason outfits feel off is a lack of contrast, or the wrong kind of contrast. When everything in an outfit sits too close together, similar colors, similar tones, it all starts to blend together. So instead of seeing separate pieces, you just see one continuous block. And that makes the outfit harder to read. There's no definition, no separation. This is especially common with darker outfits. Navy on navy, gray on gray, everything just sitting in the same range. Well, the opposite problem can happen too. Too much contrast in the wrong places. Very sharp jumps between pieces that don't feel connected. So instead of blending together, everything feels disconnected. What you're looking for is clear, controlled contrast. Enough separation so each piece stands on its own, but still feels like it's a part of the same outfit. That can come from color, like light against dark. It can come from texture, smooth against something with more depth, or even just small differences in tone. Once you start introducing that separation, the outfit becomes easier to read. And when it's easier to read, it looks more put together. Now, this last one tends to tie everything together, because even if all the individual pieces are working, the outfit can still feel off. And usually that comes down to trying too hard. This is where you start layering in too many ideas at once. Too many textures, too many colors, too many things that are trying to stand out. A jacket with character, a bold shirt, a statement shoe, accessories on top of that. Again, individually, it can all work, but together, it starts to feel forced. And that's really what people are picking up on. Not that anything is wrong, but that it just doesn't feel natural. And this is something that almost everyone goes through. When you first start getting into style, you want to show it. You want to be visible, so you start adding more detail, more interest, more everything. I've been there too, and honestly, it's one of the easiest traps to fall into. But over time, you realize you don't need all of that. With an outfit, you don't need everything to do something. You just need a few things to work together. Most of the time, the better move is to take something away. Simplify it. Let one element carry the look and let everything else support it. Because the more controlled it feels, the more effortless it looks. And that's usually the difference between an outfit that feels off and one that just works. Now, there is one piece of this equation that we haven't really gotten into. Fit. And at this point, you can probably see how it fits into everything we just talked about. Terrible pun. Sorry. Not sorry. Because even if everything else is working, if the fit is off, it throws the whole thing out of balance. But the opposite is true too. You can only focus on fit and still feel like something isn't quite right. That's because fit is just one part of the system. An important one, but not the only one. So if you want to understand how to actually get that part right, what to look for, what matters, and what doesn't, I've put together a complete guide on exactly how your clothes should fit. You can watch that right here. And once you start combining that with everything else we just went through, this all gets a lot easier. So as always, thanks for watching and stay tailored.